This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, Wonton Soup. Ordering in Chinese food was affordable once upon a time. Seriously, the prices are through the damn roof for meals you can make at home for a fraction of the cost. I think at this point in time, many families are having trouble making ends meet, and eating at restaurants or ordering in just isn't an option. That doesn't mean you have to do without the tasty food. Buy the spices. A well-stocked pantry is key. Use resources like my cookbooks that you can order on our website and cook quality meals even better than the restaurants. You can do it. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Okay?
Oh my God. I can't wait to taste this. It smells so good. I'll show you what that mouth can do. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, this is delicious. It's so damn good, it's fogging up my glasses. Let's eat.